Hi, Michelle Glass here. Welcome to our first in our Lecture 1 series. You want to just kind of settle in, get in a distraction-free zone, maybe use some headphones to keep down any external distractions, focus in on your video presentation, and get a notebook and something to write with because you're going to be taking notes the old-fashioned way. So this is really a best practice. It will help you stay engaged. It will give you something to study from. It will really help with your recall and your understanding, and you can turn in your notebook when you take exam 1 as a quiz grade. So let's get started. All right, here we are. First lecture, super short and easy. This is, again, first episode of Lecture 1, and our topic for today is what is anatomy and physiology, right? A and P. So our term anatomy is talking about the appearance of the structure, what it looks like, where it's located, what it's called. And primarily, I think we tackle this part of the course in our lab. So in lab, you're going to do a lot of naming and identifying of structures. And then in the lecture part, that's really where we pick up more that functional piece. What does that structure do? What is its job in the body? So anatomy is what it looks like, where it's located, what it's called, and then physiology is really just the job. All right. Now you can study anatomy at the gross level, and this doesn't mean icky, gross, disgusting. This just means big. So if we're studying at organs, organ systems, that's gross anatomy. And then you can also study it at the microscopic level. And so there, that would be the study of cells, which is called cytology. We're going to be doing that in chapter 3. And then you are already in your labs this week starting your study of tissues, which is called histology. So in addition, of course, to studying the anatomy of cells and tissues and organ systems, we also then are going to be adding in that physiological piece. So not just where it's located, what it's called, what it looks like, but also what it does. And that's it.